Hi, good people. Welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to convert an uppercase text to a lowercase text in Excel. So this is very, very easy. And I know in Word it's much more easier and that provision is there. But in Excel it's a little bit tricky, but I'm going to make it simpler using a function. So if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. If you are gang to the family and you're part of the family, continue commenting, share, and like and give the video thumbs up. So we are going to have equal sign, then lower our function. Then we click the cell that we want to convert to lowercase. Then we close our parenthesis. Then we click on the enter key. Done. Then you double click, hover your mouse pointer at the bottom right of the cell, then double click. Then the rest, the function or the formula would be applied to the rest of the cell. That's how you can go about it, and vice versa. Let me try it out. If you want to change whatever we've converted into to uppercase text, then you can also click equal sign, then upper. Yes. Then you double click on that, then you do that, then you close the parentheses, does the same, then you enter. There we go. So it's the same. You can be able. So Excel is a good environment. Okay, so we've converted from a lowercase, from uppercase to lowercase, then from lowercase again to uppercase. So try it out. Give us a thumbs up to the video. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe. Share this video out to your friends, to your colleagues. Let's learn together. And this is the family that you belong to. See you in the next video. Bye.